how to download Minecraft on iPhone iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, first you need to open the settings app. Over here, make sure you are connected to a strong network. After that, scroll down and click on General. Then scroll down again and tap on VPN and device management. Over here, if you have any VPN turned on, just turn it off. After that, go back and search for screen time. Then scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Over here, make sure the toggle is turned off. If it's on, just tap it and turn it off. After that, go to the App Store. Then tap on the search bar and type Minecraft. Over here, select the official Minecraft app. Then you will see the price depending on your region. After that, make sure you have a payment method added to your App Store. Then click on Buy. Over here, verify the purchase using Touch ID or any other verification method set on your phone. Then the amount will be deducted from your payment method and the game will start downloading. So that's basically how you can use Hula App AI video generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.